All right, now that we have done the box method, I'm going to show you the reverse FOIL method. And so for the reverse FOIL method, it's a lot shorter. It's basically the same steps as the box, we just don't use the box. But we want to go find the numbers that multiply to my last term and add to my middle term. So in order to do that, I like to write that out. I'm going to go find the numbers that multiply to 12. And remember, you don't have to come up with that off the top of your head. You have a factor sheet. So this is the same problem for the box method. I want to show you that we will get the same answer. So my sets of numbers that will multiply to 12, I have 1 and 12, 2 and 6, and 3 and 4. And I want the numbers that multiply to 12, which is all of these numbers, and add to positive 7. So once everything is positive, when everything is positive in my problem, when everything is positive in my problem, their problem is very simple. I want the two numbers that multiply to 12, which is all of these sets, and I want to pick the set that will add to 7. 3 plus 4 will add to 7. That's the only one that will work. So I will have x plus 3. So I will use x, and then I will have x plus 4. And that is my answer. Reverse FOIL is the best one to use when everything is positive. Only when everything is positive. Okay, it is simple, but it's a little bit trickier when everything is not positive, and we'll do some examples. So I want you to try these examples, these top two problems with your preferred method. I can quickly fill out the box for you in number 1, but then please just check my answer key that I will post for the answers to this. But again, for the box method, if you prefer that, for this problem, you're going to put your first term in your first box, so y squared. And you're going to put your last term in your last box. And then you need to go do the work somewhere. You want the two numbers that multiply to get 18 and add to get positive 9. Why? So using my handy dandy factor sheet, I'm going to go find 18. So that's over here. I have 3 sets of options, 1 and 18, 2 and 9, and 3 and 6. Everything is positive in my problem, so this becomes a simpler problem. And so the only set that will add to 9 will be 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 multiply to 18. I got that from my factor sheet. And 3y and 6y will add to 9y. And remember, once I have those, I put one of those in my boxes, one in each. Then I need to fill out the top of my box. I'm going to ask myself, what multiplies together to get y squared? Well, that's y times y. You will just kind of realize that the letter is always going to go there. And then I am missing what I need to know. What times y will give me 3y. And so I hope you agree with me that will be 3, positive 3. And then I ask myself, what times y up here will give me 6y, and that will be 6. So really, whatever numbers I put here will be my numbers that I put on the outside of my box. And that's a positive 6. And then your answer is just those two written next to each other. Y plus 3 times y plus 6. Alrighty, please check my answer key that I will post as well in the comments for the answer that I got for problem 2. And I did problem 2 using the reverse FOIL, but you can try whichever one you would like. I will do problem 4 because I wrote in problem 3. I will do problem 4 because not everything is positive and I want to show you the difference. So please watch one more video.